Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel, and welcome back to 12 Days of Cori Rae Fitmas. So if you are new here and this is the first video you're seeing in the series, definitely go watch the first videos I made, especially the first one because I'm doing a pretty big giveaway and I want you guys to have a chance to enter. I am going to be announcing the winner on the 12th day, so that's in 2 days. So definitely go enter yourself and make sure you have secured your spot. And if you're new to my channel in general, then welcome. My name's Cori, I'm 23 years old, and I'm a professional cheerleader in the NFL. And I like to post videos on here about health, fitness, and just other lifestyle type videos in general. So today is day 10, and I thought, why not make a baking video and give you guys a fun recipe that you can make at home. These are perfect to make during the holidays and bring over to a friend's house, or just for you to keep at home while you're watching The Grinch for the 12th time in a row. So I am going to be making some healthier chocolate chip cookies. They will be gluten-free and they can be easily made to be dairy-free as well. The only thing I'm using that isn't dairy-free is butter, but you can get dairy-free butter. But I thought it would be super fun if we made these with my boyfriend Jack today. And I made him wear this elf onesie so we can match.
Looks great. On the hood.
So without any further ado, let us get into today's video. Alright, so first you want to preheat your oven to 350 degrees. I always do that before I even start making anything, just so the oven is ready to go whenever I'm ready to go. So first you're going to start with 3 cups of blanched almond flour. I get mine from Trader Joe's because it's the cheapest I've found in any store that I've been to. Almond flour can be kind of expensive, but Trader Joe's is where to go to get those.
And then there's crumbs.
Well, you're supposed to add 3 cups, but we don't have enough, so
Yum.
we'll see how this goes. See, that's why I buy box stuff, because I'm always out of everything. Have you ever made homemade cookies before?
What?
Have you ever made homemade cookies before?
Yes.
Well,
I guess my mom did and I helped her.
Oh, okay.
A little bit.
Half a teaspoon of salt. So I'm just using pink Himalayan salt. You can use whatever salt you have. 3/4 a cup of brown sugar. You can also use coconut sugar, but all these didn't have any coconut sugar, so we got some light brown sugar. What? Alright, so then you're going to add 1 1/4 a cup of chocolate chips. They're from Aldi, and these are the closest things that I could find to dairy-free chocolate chips. The ingredients on the back say it may contain milk, but it doesn't say it actually does. So we're just going to pretend these are dairy-free.
Yeah, fill her up. Alright, another one. So that's a cup and then a fork.
Together. I don't know if these chocolate chips are going to be too big, but we'll see. And did you really make chocolate chip cookies if you didn't eat 20 of the chocolate chips out of the bowl? Yeah. And if you guys have any heartwarming Christmas memories that you can remember, comment them down below just so we can, all feel the Christmas vibes, and just, I just like to share stuff like that because it really just brings joy to your heart.
I don't know, it's my favorite holiday, so it's always a good memory.
Yeah.
I don't know.
You don't have a certain...
I gotta think about it. Yeah, because it's always good memories around this time of year.
Alright, now we're going to do all of the wet ingredients. We're just going to do them in a separate bowl. So you're going to do 1/2 cup of melted butter. Just a stick of normal butter. So you can do that. And if you want to make it completely dairy-free, then just do vegan butter. It honestly tastes the same. And next you're going to do 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. And we're just going to add all the wet ingredients into the same bowl and then pour it in and incorporate it into the dry mixture. Alright, and next up you're just going to add 2 large eggs and just crack them in there, and then that's it for the wet ingredients. You're just going to whisk together the yolks until they're broken. Mix in, mix in, mix in. Yum, that looks good.
Oh yeah.
And now you're just going to get your baking sheet and spray it so that the cookies don't stick.
I guess. I don't know. How do people usually do it?
normally a cookie scooper, but I don't own a cookie scooper. Let's use a spoon.
Baby, you're dripping it now on the pan too. Amen.
Oh, that's good.
Come on, Junior.
Don't recommend eating raw cookie dough, but it's fine.
Look at that technique. Oh, it's gonna be a big cookie right there.
Mm-hmm. Monster cookie. We're master chefs over here, if you can't tell.
Come on.
Well, wasn't expecting that. We should have just made a cookie cake. We should have used 2 pans, but I don't have 2 pans, so they morphed into a giant monster cookie, and now they're like crumbly messes, but they look pretty good. So we're gonna taste them now. You wanna go first?
Yeah, let's give it a go.
Ew, you're gonna get that piece? It's like crusty and gross.
Yeah, I don't want that one. Let's try that one.
Okay. Is it good?
Mm-hmm.
Even though I didn't use enough ingredients?
No, it's good. It's really soft.
Let the pro try.
Moist.
I
I don't know. We should just made a cookie cake. We
Yeah.
should just laid it all out on the pan.
And
And that would be like a good cookie cake. But yeah, it's still good.
They're pretty good. I recommend trying it. But use 2 pans or just make a cookie cake like Jack said next time.
Nice and fluffy.
They're like really fluffy. It's like a cake. But I think they're pretty good.
Yep.
Alright, so that brings us to the end of today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up because it really supports your girl. And if you do try this cookie recipe, just comment down below and let me know if you tried it, if you liked it. I think they're pretty good. What do you think, Jack? What would you rate them out of 10? 10 being amazing and 1 being like a fruitcake.
I'll give it a 9.
A 9?
9 out of 10.
That's pretty high.
Yeah, that's pretty good though.
You like them that much?
Yeah, the taste.
Yeah.
The taste.
Not the presentation. The
No, presentation terrible.
Presentation's probably a 1.
Just going off taste and texture.
Yeah. That's
like
probably, I probably would do like an 8.5. I like crunchy cookies more. I know I'm weird. I'm the one that
like the
likes,
soft.
yeah. I like the crunchy Chips Ahoy cookies. But presentation is a -1 because they do look ugly. So yeah, like I said in the beginning, please go ahead and subscribe if you aren't already. And I will see you guys tomorrow. Special thank you to my special guest.
Peace out.
Maybe he'll be in more videos.
Bye.